This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dawn of War. First, you will need to acquire the game, typically through digital platforms such as Steam. Once purchased, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. After installation, consider applying any essential community patches or fixes to optimize performance and compatibility. This initial setup is crucial for enjoying the game without technical hitches, allowing you to dive into the action quickly and efficiently. Next, let's explore the core mechanics. You will manage 3 primary resources: requisition, power, and population, which are vital for building your base and army. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each unit type is key to winning battles. Capturing and holding strategic points across the map will expand your territory and increase your resource income. Mastering these fundamental elements provides a strong foundation for your strategic success in every match. To elevate your gameplay, focus on advanced tactics. Always utilize environmental cover and terrain to gain significant tactical advantages during engagements. Combining different unit types, such as infantry, vehicles, and aircraft, creates powerful and versatile army compositions. Practicing hotkeys and control groups will dramatically improve your execution speed and micromanagement in intense battles. These refined techniques will help you outmaneuver opponents and secure more victories. Finally, expand your Dawn of War experience by engaging with the vibrant community. Explore numerous community-made modifications that introduce new factions, units, and gameplay modes, offering countless hours of fresh content. Join online forums and Discord servers to find multiplayer matches and connect with other players. Watching gameplay videos from experienced players can also provide valuable insights and strategies. This engagement ensures your enjoyment of the game continues for a very long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.